Welcome to the User channel. This is new video. Let's start for today.
Oh my gosh.
I went to New York for his wedding.
Miss Benson, I'll call you back in a moment. There's been an accident right here in that highway. Let me call 911.
Always make a good assessment before your turn.
Oh, shit.
Look in the review mirror multiple times.
Oh, what the hell was that?
If you see something wrong, warn another driver.
What is that definition of retirement? What does that dream retirement look like for you? And how can we help create that? And I think understanding that is such an important part of the process with us. But, Social Security Break can help meet a lot of different challenges. There's been some big changes here lately.
Respect traffic light.
One of us, yes.
Look where you're going.
Even you basically just turn free agency into the same way that you platoon or pull someone in the fifth inning, which is now telling me that you're using analytics to decide instead of just like
AI does, because you and I can analyze, and we can think, and we can determine. And AI can't do any of that stuff. All AI can do is what the algorithm has programmed it to do, which is suck in stuff and spit out stuff based on words, using, again, a simple database.
And the major issue here is
Always look in the review mirror multiple times.
Back!
Listen.